Alright, so what's up mga ka-J-Vlog, Maring Ana here and welcome back sa ating another content. So for today's video, price update tayo sa sa Kenyel Telecom. So Kenyel Telecom is located at 3rd floor V Mall. 3rd floor, di ba? So, Kenyel Telecom is located at 3rd floor V Mall. If ever na pupunta kayo dito, umakyat lang kayo using elevator and then press 3rd floor, of course. And then dire-diretso lang kayo and then makikita nyo na kagad yung tarpaulin ng Kenyel Telecom. And sa Kenyel Telecom, mostly na makikita nyo dito is si Boss Eli, si Belen, and si Ate Mary Rose. Sila lang naman yung minsan na nagbabantay dito or madalas na nagbabantay dito sa Kenyel Telecom. And before we start, gusto ko lang magkonting pahapyaw when it comes sa freebies ng Kenyel Telecom and also CMB Gadget. So, pag nag-purchase kayo ng item or unit sa Kenyel Telecom or CMB Gadget, may kasama na yung gift box. Sa gift box, I don't need to explain the full details about the gift box since you already know ang laman talaga ng gift box. So, meron din yung free cases, tempered glass, and also cashback. So, 500 cashback automatic sa mga followers, subscribers natin, tsaka mga nakafollow sa page ni J-Vlog. And aside from that, meron din silang kasama. And aside from that, mga ka-J-Vlog, bukod sa freebies and also cashback, meron na din silang palabunutan. So, sa palabunutan, mga ka-J-Vlog, may kasama na tong cash, AirPods, charger, and also Android phone. So, meron pa kayong chance manalo ng Android phone pag nag-purchase kayo ng unit dito sa Kenyel Telecom or CMB Gadget. So, price update lang tayo. Real quick price update lang tayo sa Kenyel Telecom. So, first is yung 12 Pro nila. So, yung 12 Pro, meron tayong 2 variants, which is 128GB and also 256 gigabytes. So, 128GB, that is 20,500 pesos. And also the 256, that is 22,000. Again, mga ka-J-Vlog, meron pa yung kasamang cashback pag nag-purchase kayo ng unit dito sa Kenyel Telecom and also CMB Gadget. Sa 13 Pro naman, mga ka-J-Vlog, we also have 2 variants in here, the 128GB and also 256GB. So, 128 gigabytes, that is 28,000, and also the 256 gigabytes, that is 29,500 pesos. So, as you can see, here is the units available sa Kenyel Telecom. So, 12 Pro, meron tayong Pacific Blue, Gold, Graphite, White, and Gold. And then sa 13 Pro, we have here Shera Blue, Graphite, Silver, Alpine, and also yung Gold. Yan yung mga available. So, let's check naman mga ka-J-Vlog yung gigabytes, let's check naman mga ka-J-Vlog kung ano available na battery health when it comes sa 12 Pro and also 13 Pro. So, sa 12 Pro, meron tayo dito 95% sa 256, 83, battery health 83, 86, 95, 81, and so forth. So, screenshot nyo na mga ka-J-Vlog yung gusto nyong battery health. Again, you also have a choice if nagda-doubt kayo sa nakalagay na battery health or nakikita nyo yung battery health sa phone, meron pa kayong option to check this, to check yung specification nito sa 3U tools. Okay? So, sa 13 Pro naman, mga ka-J-Vlog, we also have here 86, 84, 81, 83, and so forth. So, that is the available battery health sa 13 Pro. Screenshot nyo na ako ng available. Again, kung gusto nyo 100%, 99, 95, pwede lang kayong mag-ask ng assistance sa mga staff ng Kenyel Telecom. They are also friendly. Pwede naman kayong magtanong. Hindi naman po sila daw nangangagat. Diba, boss? Hindi naman daw sila nangangagat, guys. So, yes. So, yes. So, yes, mga ka-J-Vlog, that is just a quick update when it comes sa price list ng Kenyel Telecom. So, ito yung available nilang color. So, gold, Pacific Blue. Yan. So, mag-open din tayo dito ng unit. Wait up. Ito. So, they have 4 different color. So, gold, black, Pacific Blue, and also yung silver. So, mag-open tayo ng isang unit. Ayan. So, check natin yung battery health nitong ating 12 Pro. So, we have 80% battery health in here sa 12 Pro natin na 128 gigabytes. Let's also check the quality of the phone or the camera, sorry. Ayan. Let's try to capture that one and take a selfie, of course. Ayan yung camera ng 12 Pro. Ang linaw ng camera ng 12 Pro. So, syempre, di-delete natin yun. Kasi baka pag may nag-purchase, mag-go sila, may ibang picture dyan. Ayan. So, next naman is yung ating 13 Pro. So, 13 Pro, ito yung Alpine Green. So, let's check the battery health of this one. Ayan, 82% battery health. Again, mga ka-J-Vlog, you also have an option to check the specification of this item or unit sa Kingel or CMB using 3U tools if nagda-doubt kayo, okay? Okay, and then let's try to check the camera also. Grabe, ang linaw talaga din ng camera ng 13 Pro, no? Actually, ito yung gamit ko talaga na phone, 13 Pro and also 15 Pro. So, maganda talaga ang camera ng mga Pro version ni iPhone. Okay, sa mga gusto naman mag-purchase ng unit kaya sa Kingel Telecom or CMB Gadget, if nagtatanong kayo if what payment method do they offer, meron silang cash, GCash, they also have credit cards, GGives, debit cards. It depends on your payment method kung anong meron kayo. Try to ask them also kasi marami silang pwedeng i-offer sa inyong payment. When it comes naman sa delivery, they also deliver nationwide via LBC. Meron lang specific down payment, maximum of 5,000 of course. It depends also on the unit. And aside from that, meron din silang cash on delivery nearby Manila. So, sa cash on delivery, I just want to inform you guys na hindi po free ang delivery fee. So, delivery fee will be shouldered by the buyer, of course. Okay? So, that's it mga ka-J-Vlog. Yun lang ang ating quick January price list update dito sa Kingel Telecom. Once again, this is Maring Anna and thank you so much for watching.